So let's talk today about CryptoHands. This is a new project based on a smart contract on Ethereum, the first risk-free blockchain project. This is their website, which is just a platform. It's not a wallet or an exchange. All funds are always kept on the user's Ethereum wallets, MetaMask, MyEtherWallet, and so on. Here you can see a step-by-step description on how to join this project, and further you will see the profit table with the different levels and how much you can earn on each level. To join this project, you need only 0.05 Ethereum and some amount for the gas. This is the maximum amount you can lose. Here you can see the advantages of this system. Very low risk, nobody can stop the system. Everything is fully decentralized. Even if the website is shut down, anybody will be able to create a new website and just use the smart contract, because the smart contract is open. It's there, nobody can destroy it or change it. You need to invite only 3 people from your referral, and they will send to you 0.05 Ethereum, and then with these funds you can buy the second level, and so on. So you don't need to invest more funds if you don't want. Well, you can buy the second level, for example, as I did, but it's fine, you can just wait more time then. Here you can see the statistics, participants, the map, and the total of Ethereum transacted. The maximum, the website says that the maximum possible earning is about 10,000 Ethereum, which sounds great, but I mean, realistically it would be much more. But still, if you can earn a few Ethereums once you join this system, that's great, because the investment is very low. So even if you cannot find referrals, at some point your upline will bring you referrals, because they cannot put everybody under them. So this is the login page. You can log automatically with MetaMask, which I like very much. You don't need to input anything, just click on the MetaMask logo and that's it. Or you can put your Ethereum address and log in manually. So once you're in, yes, wait a second, yes. So here is the dashboard. Here you see your level, your total income, your referral ID. Well, I have 1 referral already after 2 days, and you can see I'm on the second level. Yes, I've got the second level, just to see how it goes, and to be safe on that side. You can see the partner link, so you can use that to get people under you and to promote. Yes, every level is active for 1 year, roughly, after you buy it. So, okay, you can level up at any time, but once you got the funds from your downline, then you can buy the next level. This is the partner, the referrals, and this is, you can check your upline, you can check their wallets, everything on the contract, on the blockchain. You can check everything on Etherscan. So you just go to the website, register, and then pay 0.05 Ethereum and you're in. And then, of course, you should try to promote your link, or you're going to wait much more time, but eventually you will get filled your downline at some point. So the link for the referral is on the description of the video. You can register there. I really like this project because the funds are not centralized in some admin wallet. Nobody can run away with them. You can join and start earning together with us, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them on the comments section. Thank you for watching.